Anupa, and we all love cheese and we all love momo. So I thought, why not bring cheese and momo together and make chicken and cheese momo? So what I'm using is processed cheese. So here we are done with the cheese. Got some chicken mince, fresh chicken mince. We'll add that to the cheese. Try and keep the ratio of chicken and cheese as 1:1, and let's add a little bit of garlic, followed by some spring onion and some spring onion greens. A little bit of soy sauce. And for some real great flavor, let's add some sesame oil and let's mix this up together really well. The chicken and the cheese has to be mixed well with each other, and that's enough for us. So our stuffing is ready. I also have the dough ready. This is basic dough with refined flour, salt and some hot water. Knead the dough well and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. Well, now that the dough is well rested, let's roll it. But prior to that, let's get our steamer ready. So the steamer is also getting heated. In the meanwhile, let's roll the dough. So this is the dough. Now what we have to do is divide this into small portions, something as small as this much. Press it and make a nice smooth ball out of it. So here you go, we've got the dough ready. Now there's a way to roll it. I'll show you exactly what needs to be done. Now there's a way you roll the dough for momos. You have to basically ensure that you keep the edges thin and the center thick. So this in a way is known as half rolling. So you keep on rolling it like this. So either you hold the dough like this with your fingers and just go half and keep rolling, or leave the dough in the center like that. Bring your rolling pin on the center of this circle and pull it back like this, and then keep on doing the same thing. So here we are with the wrapper for momo, and the stuffing, since it's ready, let's get to the fold. Take the filling in the center, spread it like this, push this part in and gather the sides. Pinch it. Now this point that you have, put it down, gather the sides. So what you get here is a pretty fold. Put this in, gather the sides. Towards the end, just pinch and stick the dough. So here is my pretty looking momo ready. Well, you can see steam coming out of the steamer. So here's my pretty looking momo ready, and we have to steam it. You can also see steam coming out of the steamer. But prior to that, I have to first grease the steamer. So if you remember, I had used sesame oil. So let's grease this with sesame oil. Be careful, steam is extremely hot, you might get burnt. That's it. I'm going to now place the lid. So how long should you steam it? Well, there's a way to find out if your momo is ready. Basically, all you have to do is open the steamer and check. If the wrapper goes a little translucent, it won't go transparent. But when it goes translucent, that is a sign that the momo is ready. Apart from that, you can also feel the momo. If it feels firm, which means the chicken is cooked, and so is your momo. The momo is also ready. Wow, just look at this. The momo is translucent, and which means it's ready. So let's quickly plate this. Pick this up with a spoon carefully and place it. So do try this recipe of chicken and cheese momo because it's tasty and super cheesy.